1967 Beetle. Putting it together for Amy. Got the car from a local guy. Apparently it was his dad's. It's been off the road since 1987. I believe at that point they lived in BC. The car was pretty much destined for the junk pile. The gentleman I got it from does metal work, and so he liked the car, he liked Beetles, so he kept it and went about fixing it. When I got it, he had done all the metal work, but had not started the actual finished body work and putting the car back together. So I got the car actually in a whole bunch of boxes, and subsequently there's a pile of boxes and stuff. But today we got the bumpers on. Yesterday we got the fenders on with the new rubber beading and stuff that goes in between. Right there. We got this chrome on here this afternoon. The glass was last weekend's project. Still got most of the interior to go. We've got some of the trim and pieces on the dashboard. So, yeah. 67 Beetle.